Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching this amazing and fantastic video. It's your boy Mukami Junior here. Kindly consider subscribe, like, comment, and share this amazing video. If it is the first time that you're watching this video, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Today is gonna be happening here at our home, at the compound, at the site where the I can say the kales where they are. We're going to weed here. As you can see, the grasses have grown and become taller and taller. So we're going to weed, like we're going to use these tools over here, the jembe and the panga, just to make sure that the grass here it is very short, and we're going to weed so that we can collect the sand together, so that we can fix up you know you can make the kales to grow well, so that you can provide the the food that we eat. Because you can see even some of the leaf here, they have started to like began to be bad. This is avocado tree, and this is a sukuma wiki kales. So keep tuned. I'm going to weed up to that point side over there, as I'm starting from this side over here. Mukami Junior for you. Watch till the end. Like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and share, guys. As I'm starting to weed, kindly keep tuned. I'm going to start with at this uh this is also the vegetable. This is one of the vegetables that we used to eat here at our village. In our language, you call them I can say the I don't know, nduma, like something like that, nduma. But this it is kales, sukuma wiki. Yes, as you can see, they are still young, so that I can get to weed, so that it can get to grow. Keep tuned. Watch this amazing video till the end. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys. So, guys, here first, I'm going to cut this. I can call them the branches of this banana tree. Yes, this is a banana tree, so I'm going to cut this one over here using this panga, so that I can get to remove them. Because you see, there are many here. They even uh, disable the sunlight to shine up to the farm over here. So I'm going to cut them to make it clear, guys. Yes, see, even this, they already dry up. They already dry up here. Yes, I need to cut all of them. Not all, but just reducing the ones which blocks the sunlight to shine up to the farm down over here. Yes, this another ones at this side here, just to cut them. And make sure that we're going through. Let me cut this one here. You know, guys, when I cut the banana tree, there's some waters that do drop from, like as you see this one here. You know, this water that is coming here from the banana tree, when this water sticks or just drop at your cloth, when you get to wash your cloth, it cannot be removed. Even when you use the heavy detergents like those ones which they been advertised like they clean 99%, I don't know what, it cannot be removed because this is a very sticky liquid that do sticks at your at your at your cloth. So when you cut the leaves of the banana tree, you get to be careful the water not to drop at your cloth. As I'm continuing to cut this one here, when I'll finish cut, then I'm going to continue with the with the weeding of the kale sukuma wiki that I've just started here. I'm going to weed all of this place. I'm going to remove all these grasses here at this side here, even cultivate, even I get to even weed these vegetables that I've told you. Yes, yes. As I'm continuing, then I'll get to collect all these leaves of the banana tree. You can see the water that I'm telling you is this one here. It is dropping at this side here. So guys, when you take this liquid here, then you place it at your cloth, then it get to be dried up, then you wash it. It cannot be removed. If you don't believe my words, just try and you get to wash so that you can take a look at that. So even cutting at this point over here, I'm going to cut most of them so that I can get to remove jam here. Yes. Yeah, this is a mango tree. This is a mango tree, guys. This is a mango tree. As you can see, it is well decorated. And this is a pawpaw tree. This is a pawpaw tree, a young pawpaw tree that I planted a few months ago. As you can see, this is a pawpaw tree. And we also have this one over here. This is one of the plant that we used to use when I was a kid. I was told that this plant, when you use it, maybe you chew, maybe when you go to hospital, then you're being told by a doctor that you lack enough blood at your body, you may come and use this tree. When you take just these leaves like this, then you get to chew. When you get to chew, you add enough blood at your body because the plant is red. And not just that, like the plant is red so that you can get to add the red liquid at your body. No, you can start this plant and you get to know more information about it. Another plant is here. This I can't recall its name, but this plant here, it is used to cure the chickens. As I told you, I had a plan of having many chickens here at our home, so I get to start with the cure of them. When they get to be thick, you just cut this once. The leaves here, you just cut them, then you get to grind them at some bowl so that you can the water that can be removed there, you get to give the chicken so that they can get to be well. Yes, let us go back to our work and cultivate the place here. Yes, keep tuned, guys. Keep watching this amazing video. It's your boy Mukama Junior here. If the first time you're joining my channel, kindly consider subscribe, like, comment, and share. It has always been amazing to have you guys. As I'm home here from school, I was sent fees, and I'm just trying to do good work here at home so that you can get to, yes, to be keeping more news. Keep tuned. These leaves, we are going to throw them at the main shamba, the big shamba that we used to plant the maize, so that it can get to dry up and become one of the manure at the shamba. So I'm going to throw them. We're almost done at this side, at this part over here, so that I can get to migrate at that side over there. So let me finish this here, then I'll get to change my camera from this point to that side over there. Yes, what I'm urging you guys is to keep tuned, keep watching. It is a really hard hack here, but because we must use our energy to make it happen. Um, Guys, now we're done now cultivating. Um, what I'm going to do is just I've finished at this part, and I'm going also to complete at this side over here up to overside at that net other side over there. We're going to plant some flowers, so keep tuned so that you can get to see beautiful flowers. Let me show you, take a look at you so that you can get to see some of the flowers that I do have here. But now you cannot see them because the grass are tall. So I'm going even to cultivate at this side over here so that you can get to see on the flowers. I'll be going to show you there's some flowers, tiny small flowers at that side over there. I'm going to also cultivate also, you know, guys, I'm really exhausted. That's why I'm speaking like this. So let me hang my camera here this side so that I can get even to clear all these grasses at this side over here. So always keep tuned, watch this amazing and fantastic video till the end. Yes, I'm just placing my camera here. Yes.